Good morning, everybody. It's a nice warm morning here in Central Texas. We're out here, got a little project. Y'all have missed most of it, I'm sorry. The vacuum cleaner was making a little bit of noise. I took it apart, and these little points here need grease in them on both ends. So I'm taking it apart, putting a little grease in it. Then we're gonna put it back together and it won't make any noise. Maybe that'll make it last a little longer. We're gonna try to make it last a little longer anyway. So anyway, I hope y'all are getting your projects done. I'm getting mine done. After this, I got another good one. We're going at it today. We're gonna try to get some of this before it gets too hot today. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.